Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help. And I did it relatively quickly, so let me show you how I did it. This one's called friend requests number 2, who has the most friends. So basically what they're asking you to do is to write a solution to find the people who have the most number of friends and how many friends that person has. So in this case, it's 3 because person 3 has 3 friends, 1, 2, and 4. So notice that friends indicates a bi-directional relationship. So 1 is a friend of 3, 3 is also a friend of 1. 2 is a friend of 3, 3 is also a friend of 2, 3 is a friend of 4, and 4 is also a friend of 3, 1 is a friend of 2, 2 is also a friend of 1. So hopefully that makes sense. So let's go ahead and get all the friends, and then we'll see who has the most number of friends, which is just the size of a list in a dictionary, which we're going to use. So let's go ahead and declare default dict type list. Let's iterate over this table, request accepted, and let's just do the accept date, even though we don't care about that. And we're just going to do request accepted, acceptor ID as the key of I, and append request accepted, requester ID of I. And then we also do the bidirectional relationship, so the other way around. Requester ID of I, and we're going to append request accepted, acceptor ID of I. Okay, so now if we print our dictionary, cool. So we have a bidirectional relationship. You can see 3 has the most number of friends. So we're going to loop this dictionary, and we're going to find the biggest size, and we're going to update this integer called biggest to be the length of this size, and then at the end, biggest is going to be 3 because this is of size 3. So now we have to loop over this dictionary again, and if this current keys list is equal to the biggest size, then we know that it's part of the answer. So just get the person, which is the key, and then the size, which is 3. Let's just go ahead and declare 2 lists since we know we're going to have 2 columns. So 1.append k, 2.append length of dk. And if we print 1 and 2, cool. So we basically have our answer. Now it's smooth sailing. Just declare data frame, return that, and then declare the 2 columns, fill them with 1 and 2 respectively. Okay, and then let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question relatively easily and quickly without any help. And yep, so I thought this one was pretty straightforward. And again, just glad that I was able to solve it on my own. So the runtime and memory are also pretty good. So that's a plus. And yep, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.